Namaste. Hello, my name is Ashish Patel. I'm the founder of AQF Ingredients LLP. My background is actually in the technology space. I've worked in the IT space for 20 years in a senior level, predominantly outside India, in UK and Australia. I learned quite a bit of things from that experience. Along with my other co-founders, we set up the spices and food ingredients business, aiming to cater to specifically institutional customers and in the export segment. The AQF Ingredients LLP has grown leaps and bounds in last 3 and 4 years of starting it. We started with about 7 crore of turnover, which gone on to be 9.8 crore, and last year we hit 14.2 crore turnover. This year our target is around 18 crore turnover. One of the reasons for us in the growth of company being so high is because we have managed to have backward integrations with farmers and agriculture sector. So company has grown massively in last 4 years, predominantly because of 2-3 significant strategic decisions. One of the key decisions was actually backward integrating with the farm sector in India. For example, we buy a lot of spices and ingredients from the northeast of India, directly collaborating with the farmers on the quality, pesticides and other control points. At the same time, we have a strong marketing team which exports and talks to a lot of customers, institutional customers outside India and within India. To give an example, customers like Google, Intel, Microsoft, Juniper Networks, Tata, LG Electronics are some of the factories and offices are our customers. We supply quite a bit of our spices and food ingredients to these customer sites. One of the key advantages of being in the technical industry in the past has helped us actually establish a very process-driven organization with the AQF Ingredients. We have our own in-house QA/QC team. All the products that we buy from farms to, from APMC to, or different traders or suppliers has a traceability end-to-end. Everything is documented, and all the food products that are manufactured in our factory goes through a mandatory QA/QC process. We have specific test reports of each shipment, each lot, before the product actually leaves our premise. In export, we have actually quite a bit of milestones, specifically if you look at the country like Israel and UK. In case of Israel, we are approved to be a kosher for Passover manufacturer for some of the largest spices companies in Israel. Kosher for Passover is very specific, it is very stringent, and it is where their rabbi, religious guru, will actually visit your factory to approve the spices and products before they actually allow the export of the products. In case of UK, our products are actually approved to be used by the manufacturers and supplied to the British supermarkets. It is very significant milestone. We have got QA/QC process in-house. So if you look at our products and look at the lot manufactured, each one of them are backed up by the proper test reports. If there is any incident that we need to learn from, we learn from it. Everything is documented from that to make sure that we don't repeat the same incident going forward. Our business is looking for a very strong growth going forward. In next about 7 years, we're looking at around 70 to 80 crore target of turnover. And for that, we have outlisted a few strategic decisions. One of the key decisions we have made is actually we're going to invest in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in a Sanand GIDC. Sanand GIDC is one of the largest and one of the most organized GIDC you will find in the western part of India. You will find a company like Coca-Cola, Nestle, Colgate-Palmolive, Procter & Gamble based out of Sanand GIDC. We have requested a huge space there. We have lined up with the Gujarat government to get that space, and we're going to do the MOU in the Vibrant Gujarat Summit in January 2024. In this factory, we are also going to introduce several other manufacturing lines, what we call lateral integrations. So we are going to add many different product lines and verticals in our existing business lines once we have acquired and set up this state-of-the-art new factory. This factory is also going to get accredited to the highest level of food safety standards called BRC and FDA for us to allow the operation with the UK and the American market. With this business, we are also looking to create an employment of somewhere around the range of 150 to 200 people directly, and about 300 to 400 people indirectly in and around the factory space. Thank you.